I'm Miss Lish here at the well, and today we're going to talk about a brand new letter. First, you have to guess what letter it is, and I have some clues out here in front of me. Let's look at what we have. We have a fish, a flower, a farmer, and a firefighter. Fish, flower, farmer, and firefighter. What sound do they start with? That's right. And what letter makes the sound? Here we go, the big reveal. Drum roll. You guessed right. It is the letter F. F makes the sound. Can you find F in the alphabet? Let's look. Where's the match? It's right here. Big F and little f. Let's say the whole alphabet for some good practice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you sing again with me? Ta-da! All right. Now that we know our letter, it's time to practice it. And to help me, I have my friend, the frog, who also starts with the letter F. My frog friend is here today because F is what's called a frog jump letter. And I will show you what I mean. We always start our big letters up at the top and we draw a line down. Is my letter F all done? No, it's not ready yet. It doesn't look like this letter F. I need to frog jump. Frog jump back to the top of the letter. Frog jump back to the top. And I draw another line. And then I frog jump, draw a smaller line in the middle. Let's erase that letter F and practice again. I always like to practice erasing the same way I draw the letter. So, line down, frog jump, frog jump. Let's try it one more time, and my friend the frog will watch us write the letter F. Line down, pick up your pencil, and frog jump across, and frog jump across. That's the big F. And our little f is very similar, but it has a hook in the top. A nice little curvy line, like you're about to draw a circle, but you go straight down instead and then frog jump to finish. Can you practice the letter F at home? I know you can. Please remember to like and subscribe for more wonderful videos from us here at the well. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.